The snowmobile helmet, arguably the most important piece of gear you can take out on the trails with you. It protects your head from impact and also from the cold. But with all the variety of styles and brands that exist, it can be hard to find the right one for your needs. So what is the right snowmobile helmet style? In this guide, we'll break down the top styles that exist so that you can make the best choice for you. These are the full-face snowmobile helmet. Historically, it's been the helmet style of choice for decades, especially amongst trail-focused riders. Full-face snowmobile helmets provide the greatest amount of coverage from the cold, while also offering the most amount of crash protection with their solid one-piece shell construction. That said, this is an extremely competitive space with a large range of options available. So let's take a look at a couple, from entry-level to all the frills. This is the CKX Contact. No frills, just smart, refined style and comfort. The Contact is what happens when smart minimalism meets comfort and functionality. When designing this helmet, CKX wanted to deliver a product for the everyday trail rider that met all the normal requirements, yet still provided a luxury feel. The CKX Contact comes with a lot of the features that you would expect on a full-face helmet, like a heated shield and a larger visor to view through. New for this year, 509 has released a top-of-the-line full-face helmet that is sure to be a juggernaut for a while to come. The Delta V Carbon is in the upper echelon of full-face helmets and brings premium design and components to the trail. 509 designed this helmet to perform on the longest and coldest of trail rides. These are snowmobile dual sport helmets, a category that has grown immensely over the past decade. The elongated shape provides a greater field of vision, and the internal visor adds a bit of shade from the sun, while the standard shield offers the best coverage available, just like a full-face helmet. Though this style is one of the newer styles available for snowmobiling, there are tons of options available. Let's take a look at a couple. This is the Castle X CX200 Dual Sport. Based on the successful CX200 MX helmet, the CX200 Dual Sport brings the same shell design with the bonus of a heated shield and drop-down sun visor. The CX200 falls in line with the traditional dual sport helmet styling. It's a familiar shape that most riders will feel comfortable wearing. This is the CKX Carbon Mission AMS. The AMS, which stands for Air Management System, does an excellent job of moving fresh air throughout the shell and removing any moisture before it can form as condensation on the shield. It's so good that many riders have reported riding without the breath deflector. And of course, being carbon fiber, this lid is extremely light and can be worn all day with no neck discomfort. These are modular snowmobile helmets. They share the same coverage traits as full-face or dual sport helmets, but have a liftable chin bar. Many riders choose modular helmets for the convenience factor. Being able to lift the chin bar gives riders access to their face without totally removing their helmet. Trail riders who like to stop for a chat or for a quick snack benefit from the access to your face provided by the modular style. When it comes to modular helmets and their moving parts, you're going to want quality. So let's take a look at a couple of the best. This is the FXR Maverick X. The chin bar's quick release button is easy to operate with a gloved hand. The ventilation system is adjustable so that you can tailor your airflow for riding conditions, and a drop-down sun visor can be easily activated from the switch on the side. This is the 509 Delta R4 Modular Ignite. The Delta R4 Modular has many of the same high-quality features that the FXR had, with a few additional options. Getting this helmet on and off is a breeze with its magnetic fid-lock chin strap. There are also custom liners available if you would like to fine-tune the fit of this helmet. This is the MX Style Snowmobile Helmet. For aggressive and active riders, there's no better choice. This style allows you to use goggles, which allows for eye protection to sit closer to your face and provides a better field of view. They also allow more air to enter the helmet to keep active riders cooler and drier. The Climb F5 Chorioid offers an unmatched combination of impact protection, ventilation, and lightweight. This helmet excels in the mountains, backcountry, and on the track. Where it's not great is for the average trail rider in frigid conditions. This is a youth snowmobiling helmet. Whether they're riding their own mini sled or two up with the folks, protecting your kids is of the utmost importance. And that's where the FXR Nitro Core Youth Helmet comes into play. It is a solid helmet that is designed with similar features to the adult helmets. The high-flow adjustable ventilation system allows your child to customize the amount of airflow for a warm yet clear ride. As your child ages, the cheek pads and liners can be swapped out to allow the helmet to grow with them. But this is only one of many great youth helmets that exist on the market today. So to see more, check them out on DennisKirk.com.